So for the intro we're using this iconic descending pattern that Robert Johnson used to always do. To the 6th, flat 6, and then we resolve on the 5. And from what I hear on the record, he's playing this. So from that E7 shape, play an open B, and then we're going down to a B7. We're using thumb, index and middle finger. So for the next 4 bars we play the 1 chord, which is E, to the 4 chord, which is A, and back to the 1 chord, which is E, for another 2 bars. So for the 1 chord we're playing a typical blues rhythm, and then we finish on an open G string to resolve to our 4 chord, which will sound like this. Then for the 4 chord we're adding in that flat 7th in. Then back to the 1 chord. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 triplet. And then from there on bar number 4, rather than going back to, which would still sound great, I can hear he actually plays and starts on the flat 7. So let me play you that bar. Into the 4 chord. 2 of them. Back to 1. Notice that 4th beat again, we play that triplet, and then on bar number 8 we then play a more simpler version. Then it goes to our 5 chord, which is in this case B7. So what's happening here is we're playing this little cool blues line. So I'm playing the flat 3rd of E, which is the 8th fret. Kind of sounds like a train. And I'm playing this little E major pentatonic riff, which I'm playing the 5, 6, and then the root. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we go into the turnaround. Okay, a little descending line. Which resolves nicely on the E chord, the 1 chord, before then going to our B7 chord at the end. So the last 4 bars, B7. All the tabs are in the description below, so go and check that out. Subscribe for more videos like that, and we'll see you next time.